What if I told you there are animals that can regrow their brains, create electricity stronger than a power outlet, or even survive outer space? From shape-shifting sea creatures to birds that remember human faces for decades, these are 10 unbelievable animal facts that will absolutely blow your mind. Welcome back to World in 10, the home of mind-blowing facts and mysteries about the world we live in. If you thought you knew animals, think again, because what you are about to hear will change how you see nature forever. So let's dive right in. Number 1. The axolotl can regrow its brain and heart. Meet the axolotl, a strange, smiling salamander from Mexico. Unlike humans, if the axolotl loses a limb, part of its spine, or even half of its brain, it can grow it all back, perfectly functional. Scientists have been transplanted organs between axolotls and they simply adapt as if nothing happened. This incredible regeneration ability could one day unlock cures for human paralysis or brain damage if we can understand how it works. Number 2. Electrical eel can generate up to 860 volts. This creature is not just shocking, it is supercharged. The electric eel can produce bursts of up to 860 volts, enough to stun prey, ward off predators, or even knock a horse unconscious. It uses special electric organs filled with thousands of tiny cells called electrocytes that fire together like a battery. Scientists are studying them to inspire bioelectric batteries for future technology. Imagine charging your phone with an eel. Number 3. Crows can recognize human faces and hold grudges. Crows are not just smart, they are psychologically complex. Studies show they can remember human faces for years and even teach other crows who is friend or foe. In one experiment, researchers wearing specific masks captured some crows. Years later, even when those masks were worn again, crows mobbed the enemy faces and alerted others. So next time you annoy a crow, just know it won't forget you anytime soon. Number 4. Tardigrades can survive outer space. The microscopic tardigrades, also known as the water bear, is practically unkillable. It can survive being frozen, boiled, crushed, dried out, or blasted with radiation, or even in vacuum of space. Tardigrades achieve this by curling into a tiny ball called a tun, slowing their metabolism to almost zero. When conditions improve, they simply wake up and go on living as if nothing happened. They might outlive humanity itself. Number 5. Wood frogs can freeze solid and come back to life. During harsh Alaskan winters, the wood frog literally freezes solid. Its heart stops, its blood turns to ice, and yet it does not die. When spring arrives, it simply thaws and hops away as if nothing happened. How? Its body produces a natural antifreeze made of glucose and urea that protects its cells from ice damage. It's real-life cryogenic survival, no sci-fi needed. Number 6. Octopuses can taste with its arms. Octopuses are not just smart, they are sensory masterminds. Each arm has thousands of taste receptors, meaning they can literally taste whatever they touch. So when an octopus grabs a crab, it knows instantly as if it is edible before even bringing it to its mouth. Even crazier, their arms can make decisions independently of their brain. That's like your hand having a mind of its own. Number 7. Bombardier beetle shoots boiling chemicals. The bombardier beetle has a defense mechanism straight out of a sci-fi movie. When threatened, it chews boiling hot chemicals from its rear and literally exploding like a mini flamethrower. The reaction inside its body reaches 100 degrees centigrade and produces a popping sound like gunfire. What's incredible is the beetle controls this reaction without blowing itself up. Using a complex valve system, scientists still study for robotic and defense tech. Number 8. Elephants can hear through their feet. Elephants communicate over vast distances using low-frequency sounds called infrasound that travel through the ground. They can detect these vibrations through their feet and tongue, allowing them to feel distant herd predators or even approaching storms from miles away. It is like built-in earthquake sensor. No wonder elephants are so emotionally and socially connected. They quite literally feel the world around them. Number 9. The monarch butterflies navigate using an internal compass. Every year, monarch butterflies travel thousands of kilometers from Canada to Mexico on a migration so fierce it is still a mystery. They use a built-in magnetic compass that senses Earth's magnetic field combined with the position of the sun. What's mind-blowing is that no single butterfly completes the journey. They pass the route across generations, yet still arrives at the same forest every year. It's nature's GPS at work, passed down through DNA. Number 10. Greenland sharks can live over 500 years. Deep in the icy waters of the Arctic swims the Greenland shark, the longest living vertebrate on Earth. Scientists have estimated some individuals to be more than 500 years old, meaning they were alive before Shakespeare was even born. They move incredibly slowly, growing about 1 centimeter per year, which scientists believe is the secret to their longevity. Imagine a creature that's been quietly exploring the ocean since the 1500s and is still alive today. From brain regrowing salamanders to sharks older than empires, our planet is full of wonders that defy imagination. It reminds us that evolution is still the greatest magician of all time. Which of these animals facts amazed you the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this wild journey, make sure to like, share and subscribe to World in 10 for more unbelievable stories from the animal kingdom. And remember, nature is always has one more surprise waiting to be discovered. I will see you in the next one.